How to make your Twitter account public. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Twitter account public. To do so, first of all, open your X application or Twitter application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon and from the side menu, here you'll need to scroll down and expand settings and support. Tap on it and then select settings and privacy option. Once you reach to the settings page, here you will need to select privacy and safety option. Tap on privacy and safety and inside it, here tap on audience and tagging option. Inside it, here you'll be able to locate the options like protect your post, protect your videos or photo tagging. You will need to tap on the toggle button at the right side of it and turn it off. Tap on this photo tagging and select anyone can tag you option. By doing so, now your account will be public. Now anyone will be able to view your tweets without needing to follow you. So by following these steps, you should be able to make your Twitter account public. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.